Hello friends, welcome to the Amo Education. If not yet subscribe, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our ninth one, first one. They are given some coordinates, 4 coordinates, and they are telling that if you join all these coordinates, it will going to make one quadrilateral. So what is meant by quadrilateral? So quadrilateral means a shape enclosed figure with 4 sides. It may be square, it may be parallelogram, it may be rhombus or rectangle, it may be trapezium, based on some conditions, based on the lengths of the sides and based on its diagonals. So first of all, make one quadrilateral, draw a rough quadrilateral, and based on that we're going to take what is type of quadrilateral. So let's go into draw one quadrilateral. Let's go into draw one quadrilateral. Here A, B, C, D. So A coordinate. So what is A coordinate? It will be -1, -2, and B will be 1, 0, and C will be -1, 2, and D will be -3, 0. So let's going to find what is the distance between these coordinates. After that, all the sides and diagonals. So these are the diagonals. So sides, what are the sides? AB, BC, CD and DA. So these are the sides. And what are the diagonals? So diagonals will be AC and BD. AC and BD. So here the diagonals sides we're going to find what is the distance. So what is the distance formula? The distance formula will be equal to square root of, what is that? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula. Now we're going to substitute in this first case. So what is the first case here? AB. Let's going to find length of AB. So AB means here A coordinate is -1, -2, and B coordinate is 1, 0. So let's go into substitute in this. So AB will be equal to, AB length will be equal to square root of x2 is what? 1 minus of -1, x1 is -1 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus of -2 whole square. So square root of 1 plus 1 whole square plus minus into minus will become plus 2 whole square. So 2 square plus 2 square, it will be square root of 4 plus 4, we will get it as 8, or so here 8 we will get, or you can write it 4 2s are, then based on that square root of 4 into square root of 2, 2 root 2 centimeters. So 2 root 2. So by using of which formula here? The formula is square root of AB will be equal to square root of A and into square root of B. Next going to second one, BC. So the length B is nothing but 1, 0 and C is -1, 2. That is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. That is -1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 is 2 minus 0 whole square. So 2 minus 0 whole square. So here y2, this is y1. The coordinate always x, y format. We know that. Based on that. So here -1 -2 whole square plus 2 square. So it will be, what is that? -2 whole square plus 2 square. So here 2 square plus 2 square, it will become 4 plus 4 and 2 into, so 2 4 square. So you can add it as 2 into 4 or 2 4 square. 2 4 square root. So square root of 2 into square root of 4, we will get it as, what is this? 2 root 2. 2 root 2 centimeters. So that is 2 root 2 centimeters. Next, our third one, CD. The length of CD will be equal to square root of, C is nothing but -1, 2 and D is nothing but -3, 0. So here x2 minus x1 whole square. So x2 is what? -3 and x1 is what? -1 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus 2 whole square. So that is square root of minus 3, minus into minus will become plus, plus 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. So square root of minus 3 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 will be equal to minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. We will get it as square root of minus 2 whole square will become 4. 4 plus 4. 2 into 4, that is square root 2 and square root 4, that is 2 root 2. So what is this? 2 root 2 centimeters. 2 root 2 centimeters. So that is the one. Next one, what is the fourth one? The fourth one is, let's going to take fourth one, dA, the length of dA, that is dA is equals to, what is d here? The d length minus 3 comma 0 and a will be minus 1 comma minus 2. Let's going to substitute in that, and square root of, so square root of x2 minus x1, what is that? Minus 1 minus of minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is minus 2 minus 0 whole square, that is square root of minus 1, minus into minus will become plus, plus 3 whole square plus minus 2 whole square, square root of minus 1 plus 3. So minus 1 plus 3, that is 2 square, plus of 2 square is 4. So 4 plus 4, that is square root of 2 into 4, that is square root of 2 into square root of 4, that is 2 root 2. So what we can say here is, this is 2 root 2, this is also 2 root 2. From all these conditions, what you can say, all the sides are equal, that is AB will be equal to BC, BC and CD, that will be equal to DA. All the sides in a given quadrilateral, all the sides are equal to each other. Then now we are going to calculate what are the diagonals. So diagonals will be, what are the diagonals length? Diagonals. So here diagonals is AC and BD. So AC and BD. So AC will be equal to the coordinates AC minus 1 minus 2 and here minus 1 2 square root of, so here x2 minus x1 whole square, that is minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. So square root, what we can write it here, minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus 2 plus 2 whole square, minus into minus it will become, so minus 1 plus 1 will going to cancel, and here 4 square, that is square 4 centimeter. Next again BD. So here BD is another diagonal. So 1 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, that is minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. So we will get minus 3 and minus 1, that is minus 4. Minus 4 whole square. So that will be equal to, what you can say here, square root of 4 square, square will going to cancel 4 centimeter. So by the above conditions, here diagonals are equal to each other and sides are equal to each other. Then what you can say, the given quadrilateral is square. In square all the sides are equal and also diagonals are also equal. So therefore ABCD is square quadrilateral or square shape. So this is a square. So like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.